Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I am bringing you to a pretty basic unboxing, which is probably what the title is going to be called because I will slowly pan around and you can just see a couple of items behind me that we're going to be unboxing today. Now these are basically one for the personal, one for the collection, and the last one I don't know what I'm going to do with. We're just going to unbox these because I want to see how one of the things look in hand. I want to try one of the other things on, and yeah, that'll be about it. So as per norm, let me know down below whether your items have arrived from the drop already, as I know a couple of people's items have. Glad that you could hit during the drop. But yeah, if they have already, let me know whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling what you picked up. Other than that, there isn't really a lot to say, to be honest. We're just going to get straight into this. Yeah, that's about it. I am also going through all of the comments from the past like 8 days or so. I am quite behind, but I'm trying to like catch up on the day, but then I leave it like a couple of hours and all of a sudden it stacks up. So yeah, I really do appreciate everyone commenting, but I will catch up with the like 300 and something or so over the next day and a bit. So yeah, I appreciate it, but let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so these are the items that we have. I've had to cover up addresses with kitchen roll and like a drink mat or placemat, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, these are the items. So the order that we're going to go in is this one, and then this one last, because the bottom one or the largest box should be the personal pair that I've got. And yeah, there isn't a lot to say. I did say that I wanted to stop doing like small item unboxings, but the minute I say that, I instantly go ahead and do this, which is why it's quite basic and simple, because they are quite simple pieces. I'm looking forward to see how these look. I don't know whether or not I'll be keeping them. I will be 100% on this one specifically. These I am, whenever really, I'll get rid of that. But yeah, let's just get straight into this anyway. Okay, number one is, well, from Supreme. I feel like this angle is not great. I feel like I'm a lot shorter. I'll sort it out. There, I feel like that's a tiny bit better, but maybe it's just me. But yeah, first piece is from Supreme, which is obvious. We're relying on pure strength as per normal with packages, and I haven't even ripped the right side, but that's fine. We're just going to... Oh, okay. That's sanitary. So we've got a sticker as per norm. We've got the beanie, the Supreme Nike beanie, but now they are no longer coming in bags, which I'm guessing is the whole like environmental side that Supreme are taking with things, or have been recently. Like they stopped the bags that they used to send things in. Now I'm guessing that they're just not putting things like beanies in bags. Or this could just be a store beanie, because there is a difference between beanies that I normally get, which you've seen come in a bag with the label, and in-store beanies, and this might just be an in-store beanie. But yeah, this is actually a lot better than I thought, and I might actually personal it, I'll be honest. So this is the black colorway in the Jacquard logos one that they released. No like Nike anything on here, just the Supreme, and yeah, that's how the in-store one comes as per norm. It's the same sort of thing, but you can see the full tag if you'd like to in the end. But yeah, inside is just plain black, and get the tag out if I can grab it, and yeah, there's the tag. So yeah, if you wanted to see all the little details, that is that for the beanie. But I wish that it came in an actual bag, but oh well, it's an in-store one, it would seem, since it's got a tag like that on. Then again, it might not be, because it doesn't have, I don't know. I don't know. It could just literally be how they're sending them out nowadays, but I have no idea. So next, let's just keep things flowing. I love bent box logos. I think I've got more bent and broken and cut and just that sort of side to stickers and box logos than I do actual like healthy condition ones. So this is going to be coming up next, which is a sneakers win. I know, 2 wins within the span of a month is, you know, it's a groundbreaking stuff. Where do I open this from? There we go. So yeah, very groundbreaking. I'll be honest, I woke up, entered, went to sleep, didn't really check my phone, and then I had an email saying, you know, your order's processed, and I was like, what? So this is obviously going to be for a Jordan 1, as you can tell, which should be in my size, which it is. Box, little damaged, but this is going to be the patina, I'm going with Dunks, Jordan 1, patina Jordan 1. Now, here's the thing about these. I'm not the biggest fan, but the thing is, oh, that quality control is not good on my pair, I can tell you that. Oh my god. I wasn't the biggest fan, but I saw them on Sneakers Live and I saw some people have in-hand photos and they looked really nice. However, my quality control is shocking. Oh, jeez, okay. So, here's the thing, leather quality, I'm not so great at telling, but I will say it is smooth as anything. And yeah, the suede at the back is really clean, but mine is just marked up to absolute hell. Now, my difficulty is black colorway is nice. I don't know about this color for the laces. I have no browns or anything of that caliber. Like, I have no shades of this, but I will say they look extremely nice in hand, and the material, or the quality of the material, is great. However, I will have to go closer. If you notice along here, you can see what I'm talking about. Now, I don't know if that's the same for everyone, but I wouldn't have expected... Is that glue? What is... That is like glue. That is genuinely glue or something that is over that. I wouldn't have expected something like that. Is it the same on the other pair? No, the other pair is clean. See, now here's the thing. They are really nice. I will be perfectly honest. They are really nice, and I think that the only issue with them is if they were all over brown, or if they were all over this like grey, like moon sort of grey colour. I think they'd be really appreciated, like a lot more than they are. But the issue is this dark tone here. I don't know, it just doesn't do well. A lot of people said they're like a bit like the Biohacks, or a little bit better than the Biohacks, but not too far like off that mark. But yeah, there's so many scuffs and things. Like, what? Do people like, do they generally like play ball before they like ship out the pairs? Are they like going like, oh, we just got to test these out, just give them a little run, like. But anyway, that's those. They are really nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. To be perfectly honest, I really have no clue. I'm just gonna sit them back like this if they can, for the time being though. But yeah, I have no clue what I'm gonna do with them. That's my honest answer. Okay, last pair. For the personal, for me to wear, I don't buy a lot of things for the personal, I will be honest. Like, yes, I can hit some sneakers things and different things like that, but a large portion or a large like amount of the pairs, or just a lot of the time, majority of the time, I will not personal things purely because I either don't have space or I really just don't want the pair in the end, and I'd rather just get rid of them. And yeah, there are a couple of pairs that I really do want, and obviously if I hit some things along the way that I like, I will keep them, I will wear them, but a large like percentage of that I won't end up keeping. But these I will do because they were a steal in the end, and you know, I'll take a steal. So they're from S&S. It's not going to be like a, where are they from? This box, what's in the box? Like, let me try and get a grip on this. So this is my first pair of anything like this from anyone. So, as you can see, this is going to be a pair of the Adidas 4Ds, which are in my size. I hope they fit. I didn't look into how sizing is on these, but basically, I got an email from S&S saying, you know, 70% off on some things. I ignored it, I'll be honest, I wasn't really too bothered. Then on Twitter I saw like the Soul Supply, I think it was, retweet saying that these were 70% off. I clicked on, there was my size, I think there was a 9, 9.5 and a 10, and then there were just like 3, 3.5, or like 3.5, 4.5, and so on and so forth. So yeah, 70% off. I'll take it. I don't know whether they're meant to be running or casual or what, but I will take it, and we're just going to try them on. Wow, that is a very iridescent shine. They're a little bit out there, I'll be honest, they are, but for 70% off from like £186, I'm not exactly going to leave that be, but they are really different, aren't they? I've never seen a pair in hand. They are really different. Yeah, let's try them on at the end of the day. I'll obviously just quickly go up close so that you can see them, but you can see what I mean about the shine. They're really actually quite cool, I'll be honest. But yeah, I think they're reselling for like, I don't know, like £40 above what I paid. I don't care, to be honest. Like, if I cared, I would have gone for a better size. But let's take this out. Now, a lot of people have said these fit quite harshly. Not in the sense of the sizing isn't giving, but I just mean in the sense of they're not comfy, and it's a very harsh, sort of abrasive feeling on your feet. So, warning, viewer discretion is advised. I am going to be crossing brands because of the shorts I'm wearing, so keep that in mind. I know some people will be like, they'll be shaking already, but plain and simple, Nike shorts are comfier than Adidas shorts. I'm saying it, it's true. They are so much more comfortable, but let's just throw these on in the end. I do have Adidas socks on, so yeah. I mean, yeah, like, can you even see my feet? Not really. You move like the chair and go further back. Like, they look very, very peculiar, I will be honest in saying. Like, they're not my normal thing to wear. Like, but saying that, I mean, I don't hate them. I think they look cool. I don't know about that feeling though. Like, maybe I have to break them in a little? I don't know. Maybe I've got to break them in. It's a very weird sensation. But, I mean, they're solid in the end, so, like, I mean, I should probably give them a bit of a better jump test than that. Jump test of, like, yeah. Right, so, that is going to cover this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, I'm happy with them. They're cool. I should probably take one off for the thumbnail. I need to get used to them. That sensation's a little bit weird. I need to do the laces to the top as well and do them up properly so I can get a better fit. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with them. Beanie, I'm a lot happier with in the end. Shoes, Jordans, I'll think about, but yeah. Anyway, I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Should be tomorrow or something like that, but yeah, I'll see you all next time. Peace.